Aha! I thought I saw the mailman drop off a box. We're gonna go take a look and see what's in it. So, I had this company contact me and offer me a product, Muzen. Now, I will tell you, I know what's in this box, and I'm looking forward to opening it up and demonstrating it. This is something that I have had an interest in for a little while now. I've actually looked at these on Amazon, and I'm pretty excited about getting this package. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to show you what's inside. Hey gang, welcome back to Joe Daddy's Workshop. You know, on this channel I try to do a lot of different things. I may work on lawnmowers, I may work on home stuff, I may just do a variety of different things, but occasionally I do get offered products that if I'm interested in, I'm probably going to do a review on. So today I have something to show you, and I'm pretty excited about this because this is something that I've been looking at for probably at least a year. And this company contacted me and offered me this product if I would do a review on it. So let's take a look at that product. Now, like I said, I'm pretty excited about this. This is something that I've seen on Amazon before, and I just never pulled the trigger. I thought that would be a great little product to have. I just never pulled the trigger. So let's open this up, have a look inside. So in the box, if we empty it out, there is what appears to be almost like a gift bag. I'm guessing it's an empty bag, but it appears to be like something you could use as a gift bag. Here we have the container, and I was in the military. You know, I've said this before, so I really do like stuff that has a military or, you know, has a military feel to it. And I feel like this is something that has that look to it and that feel to it. So it comes in this little green case, and you can see it's wrapped up here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so open here. Take that cover off, and again, kind of has a military kind of feel to it. So we open that up, and there it is. Check that out. That is a Bluetooth speaker, and I think it has a small light on it too, and it gives you that feeling of like a little gas can, like a little jerry can type of feel. They call them jerry cans, you know, the 5-gallon metal gas cans. That's this embossed feel to it. And let me tell you, this actually has some weight to it. It's not like a little plastic toy. Now, does that mean I wouldn't want to drop it or anything? But it feels like it could probably handle a drop. It comes in this really cool case. And, oh, there's some other, I hear some other noises. I felt something. Oh. Okay, so inside the case, that's what I was feeling. I was hearing this slide around. It's got some, you know, dry out gel stuff. There is the USB style charger and the instruction book. Muzen Wild Mini is what it says on there. So basically it tells you, I think, packing list: speaker, one product manual, and one Type-C charging cable ×1. Bluetooth indicator flashlight window. So this is pretty small. I may have to get my reading glasses to read all this, but it points it out. There's some numbers up here. Let me grab my glasses real quick. Okay. So here it says item 1. And it looks like item 1 is up here on the top. Can't tell exactly where that's pointing. But it says, fast flashing warm white light, ready for Bluetooth pairing. Oh, okay. So that's what that does. And then there's a switch. Okay, okay, here it is, number 2, sorry. Power switch, flashlight control. So right here you have this little switch that goes down and it says press. Okay, so, oh. It's trying to pair. It's trying to pair with something. Okay, that's cool. And you see this little light, I hope you can see that little light blinking. So it lets you know that it's trying to pair. Alright, so I'm going to push that back up and see what that does. I may have to push it down. Okay, and okay, that shut it off. I'm not sure what this little knob here does. It's got like a springy kind of feel to it. Let me see what it says here. Item 3, track switch. Okay, so last track, rotate counterclockwise, next track, rotate clockwise, pause, play, short press. So, okay, so there's your track, back and forth, pause, and I'm guessing play. Oh, and this one's pretty obvious. It says volume. So you got a volume control right there. And, well, there's probably not much else there. Let's see what this, and there's your charging port on the side. It's got a nice solid feel to it. I wonder if this, I'm assuming water resistant maybe. 5 volume knob, we showed that. 6 is the loudspeaker. That's here in the center. Strap hole, so you've got a place you can put a hook on that. And the charging port. Okay, so I'm going to try to connect this to my phone. Gives some information on it. Battery, charging port, charging voltage, whole bunch of other things that I'm not going to read. Maintenance, limited 1-year warranty, and then it goes into another language. Alright, I'm going to grab my phone and see if we can't connect it. I'm going to go to my Bluetooth, turn it on, and here's my phone. I'm going to press this down. Give it a second. Oh, there it is. Muzen Wild Mini. Okay. So it's connected. So there it is. A couple little beeps and it was connected. I'm going to go to a video on my YouTube channel and I'm going to play it because I know there are copyright laws, difficulties, and I can use one of these videos on my play. So give me just 1 second. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to turn the volume up a little bit, and I'm going to play this. Now I have a brief period of time that I can play. So listen. This is actually a song that I created for my YouTube channel. Let's see if I can come up with another one. See if I can come up with a different song. So this is from another video that I did. Skip ahead a little more. That's so cool. That has so much sound coming out of it. I'm really a fan. I like it. I'm going to pause that. Okay. That was pretty cool. Now, I'm wondering if this light, I see that, it's still connected. I don't think it's much of a light per se. It says flashlight control, and that was item 2. Oh, it's saying press. There it is. Ah! There's the light. You have to press in on that switch. That little switch. You have to press in. Okay. I didn't realize that. So I'm going to press in on it again. And it turns off. There we go. Now we know that this is a cool little Bluetooth speaker. I will be making use of that. Alright. This is a very cool little Bluetooth speaker. I love electronic stuff like this. You know, in the old days, we had cassette players and 8-track players and all that stuff. And now, with stuff like this, you can really get some great sound just by connecting to your phone. So, I recommend this. I do like it. I will be using this. And there is a link down below if you're interested in buying one of these from Amazon. So, that'll be it for this video. And until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya.